What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant connection error WAN 1067 and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one, just go over here, search for services, and you have to click on this one. And right now over here in the services, we need to find one thing called VGC. So let me search VGC. So we get in the VGC over here. So right click on this one and go for the properties. And right now the startups type is being set into manual. We need to change this to automatic and go for apply, and make sure the service status is stopped. So click on the start and make sure it is up and running. So once it is successfully done, what we need to do is we just need to close this and move to the next one. That is all about we need to add the right games client on the Windows security. So just go over here, close this, and we need to go over here. Now if we close this and go over here, search for the control panel, and we need to click on this one. And right now we need to add the system and security. Go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for Alone App Code feature through, and we need to add both the Valorant and the right client. So right now you can see the Valorant is here. Right click on the Valorant, and I'm going to click on the Valorant over here like this, and right click, and we can go to show more options. Or we can directly navigate to the Valorant over here, go to open file location for the right client. So we go over here, copy the path of right client and close this. Go to the control panel, and we need to click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go for the browse and navigate to remove this, and we need to paste it. Now we need to add this, go for open, and we need to add it. Once the right client is added, we have to put a check on both these boxes, private and public. So you have to put a check on both these boxes, right client over here, private and public. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the task manager, and we have to click on this one. And over here in the task manager, expand this and navigate to the startup types. And if you find the VG tray is here, VGC is here, right click on this one, go for. Or if you find the VGC, I'm not able to find the VGC, or you can go over here, and if you find the VGC is running, what we need to do is we just need to set the priority. For example, if you find the VGC, right click on this one, and you can set the priority as per your need. So right click on this one, or you can just go to startup time. So right now, if you find the VGC over here, I'm not able to find the VGC. All I'm having is VG tray. So if you find, we need to set the priority. That's all we have to try. And apart from this, we need to go over here, search for the CMD, and we need to click and run as administrator and go for yes. We need to try the first one, that is IP config, the space, and we have to type over here flash BNS and press enter. The next one, we need to type NETSH WinSock, and we have to press reset and press enter. So both these things are very important, and once after the this particular command is done, we need to do a restart and we need to check. Last and the least step is all about what we need to do is we just need to make sure one thing, that we need to log into the right client. Once the right client, if you logged into the right client, make sure if, for example, if we have lots of games with the right client, one is League of Legends, then we have Valorant. So once you get into the right client like this, the first and foremost, we have to sign in. So once the signing is successfully done, so guys, once you get into the game, this is what you have to do. Once you sign in with the game, just go over here in the Valorant. For example, if you're on the Valorant, now from here, just go over here and just click over here, navigate to the settings. In the Valorant, you can see over here we have an option to repair the game. So just click on the repair, and the Valorant game should be repaired, and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.